I can see that this is my moment. This is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine. And I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Well, syempre masaya kami dahil bilang isang OFW, nandito ako na i-celebrate ang 7th birthday. Naalala ko nung maliit pa siya is masayahing bata siya eh. So talagang gusto namin siyang bigyan ng ganitong party at kasama yung mga friends niya.
Si Armin kasi very special yan sa amin na pamilya. Siya yung nagbibigay talaga ng saya, napapatawa, masayahing bata.
Happy birthday, Armin!
This is my moment. This is my time, and I'm gonna shine, 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 shine.
Welcome to Armin Joy's 7th birthday!
Used to take it slow. Now I feel the air and take the long way home.
Thank you kasi Armin, pinapasaya mo kami lagi. Pagod si Daddy at makikita lang kita, makakausap ka. Talagang masaya ako. Tapos ang dami mong alam para masayahan kami.
We're wild and free, we could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out? Are you coming with me? Let's take on our fears from the start.
Thank you, Armin, kasi nandyan ka sa amin at nagpapasaya, nagbibigay ng ngiti sa every time na nakikita ka namin.
I'll move along and leave it all behind. 'Cause tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the
Sorry, Armin, kasi minsan napagsasabihan talaga kita. Because I want you to listen so that you will grow up to be a good girl. But I love you so much, Armin.
Sorry kasi, ako isa kasi akong OFW, so mayroon akong mga okasyon na hindi kita nakakasama. So yun, dun lang ako nalulungkot, pero humingi ako ng tawad. As much as possible, gusto ko nga lagi kayong kasama, but ito yung naging trabaho ko. Ngayon, ang pinaka-importante is magkakasama tayo ngayon sa video.
never stop wishing. Tonight is our night to run wild and free. We could take on the world. We could be anything. Are you in? Are you out?
Happy 7th birthday, Armin Joy! Mahal na mahal ka ni Mami at ni Daddy!